Feeling cramped in your kitchen? No worries, drilling nerds. Today we are dispelling myths and showing that small spaces can have a significant impact with easy, beautiful kitchen themes. Get ready for a kitchen makeover, turning your compact cooking space into a comfy retreat or a stylish, modern masterpiece depending on your taste. Space saving kitchen. Our first stop is space saving kitchens. These designs are all about efficiency and making the most out of every inch. With clever storage solutions and compact appliances, these kitchens are perfect for those who want to maximize their space without compromising on style or functionality. Colorful and vibrant small kitchens. Next, we are moving on to colorful and vibrant small kitchens. These kitchens are bursting with personality, featuring bold colors and unique design elements. They prove that even small spaces can make a big statement. Rustic charm for small kitchens. Now, let's take a look at the kitchens with rustic charm. These designs incorporate natural materials and vintage elements to create a cozy and warm atmosphere. It's a great mix of classic charm and modern ease. Modern minimalist kitchens. For those who prefer a clean and sleek look, we have modern minimalist kitchens. These designs focus on simplicity and functionality, featuring clean lines and neutral colors. It's all about creating a calm and clutter-free space where you can focus on your culinary creations. Small and stylish kitchen decor. Lastly, we are delving into small and stylish kitchen decor. These designs show that how big or small doesn't limit style or usefulness. With smart decor and design choices, you can create a kitchen that's not only practical but also mirrors your personal style. From modern to rustic, the possibilities are endless. So remember, a small kitchen doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or functionality. That's it for today's video. We hope these ideas for decorating your kitchen theme have encouraged you to update your own kitchen. For additional home decor suggestions, make sure to check out our website willingnerd.com. Until next time, enjoy decorating.